But look what I just bought.
Look at all these shelves. Yes, perfect. And they were stupid cheap.
It's Saturday, doing some side projects. I gotta bolt in some of these pallet racks to the ground. So I got all the materials for that yesterday and the bolts and that. But Damien went out to get some shelves. They're for a steal though. We'll buy some stuff or some like equipment that we don't really need, but if it's at a good price, we have the space to store it and we can always resell it. These are really nice, 20-25 bucks, but we could easily resell them for 50 bucks. They might just be sitting around for a while. Like, who cares, right? Just trying to flip some stuff like that.
All right, guys, I just got back to the warehouse and I forgot to take the camera with, but we got a second run, so we're gonna do this. But look what I just bought.
Look at all these shelves. Yes, perfect. And they were stupid cheap.
So I was creeping up on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace because we need more shelving. And I found this guy. You know what this is? An Amazon warehouse being liquidated. Yup, can you believe it? An Amazon warehouse. So these are literally from Amazon. And we bought it off Facebook Marketplace because they're trying to get rid of it. Yeah, they're legit, they're nice. So these shelves I bought for like $35 and they're usually 205 bucks, 205 on the website. So hell of a deal, hell of a steal, and we're gonna use the shit out of these because they're perfect. They're literally perfect for anything you're doing, like processing product. They're good for staging product. They're good for organizing stuff. They're good for organizing supplies. You can put them in the supply closet, whatever it might be. These are perfect for it. So we got a lot of them. We got 20 of them, and this is only 10. So we got another run to make, and we figured we'll take the camera with this time. Dude, I strapped this down in like the dumbest way possible. No idea what I'm doing here.
These are big.
Huge, right?
Yeah. Oh, I like them. We could resell these too, so.
That's kind of what I was thinking too. Because it's good for, dude, I mean, so this guy said he had over 100 of them. And within 3 days, these are literally the last one. I already paid him for the other 10, and those are the last 10 that he got. All right, unloaded. Now we're gonna go pick up 10 more. And KK's coming with me. He was lazy this morning, he didn't want to come. I had to go by myself.
No, I had an appointment set already.
Bullshit. I don't believe him. Let's see what the next 10 look like. This is like my third or fourth time actually ever driving with the trailer. Kind of embarrassing to say, but it is what it is. I'm learning. It is hard as shit. Like, I can't even believe it. But I'm getting a hang of it. Not bad. Turning's not too bad. Like, it's the opposite, which drives you insane. It's something to do with the forklift. Same thing, right? Like, you got to go the opposite way. So, it works. Here comes KK. Finally decided to join me. Come on, you schmuck. People are waiting. So, I got to be low-key with the camera because we're literally at Amazon. Picking a bunch of random shit up. But look what we just bought.
Yeah, 30 bucks for the whole thing with the shoes.
With shoes included. What a deal. What a deal. We just gotta pack it up, bag it up, and get the hell out of here before anyone starts asking any questions. We got a whole trailer full. I don't know about that glass case though.
No.
But the shoes are a come up, so it's worth it.
Yeah, it was like $1,000 for shoes.
Now we got for 30. All right, we're back. We made it. Hey, glass shelf intact or what?
Yeah, it's intact.
Nice. Top 30 of the sketchiest things I've ever done. Only top 30 though. Put it into perspective. So we have like these type of shelves, and we can show you guys later. We have these type of shelves, and we bought them from Sam's Club for, dude, what was it, 130, 135? It's like $100-$150 range. So we snagged these, which are bigger and more industrial. They're literally used by Amazon, which is amazing. So like, Amazon's a logistics company. They got it figured out. They know their shelving. So, and we snagged these for 30 bucks. So super pumped with this purchase. I think it's gonna make a huge difference in our warehouse. Let's unload this thing and go enjoy our Saturday, right? It's 2 p.m. already. Been doing this all day. Time to get what do you call it? Time to get what? Loose?
Loose like a goose?
And
Dude, it's a lot of space that these things take up.
that's fine, man. We'll make it work.
Yeah.
Better than buying it for 150.
No, 100%.
Beautiful. Yes. Yes. What a come up. And a glass display case that made it here safe and sound.
So today we're breaking down some pallet racks. The reason we're breaking them down is because we need more space in the warehouse to put loads. This area right here, we weren't putting any loads in. It was kind of being underutilized for like supplies, stuff like that. So today we're planning on like actually breaking down these pallets, getting all the stuff off the pallets, kind of just reconfiguring the spot, right? Because that space over there, we could fit at least like 2 more loads. And it'll probably be loads of mystery boxes, but then the rest of the warehouse will be just for the random stuff. So me and Sab are taking them down, and yeah, and we'll continue with that. We cleaned this area, it's all gone. So now we could fit more trucks, hopefully. We'll see. But yeah, we made a mess. All this has to get back put into place. I have to find a spot for those. But yeah, we started at 1, I think. It's like 420. It wasn't too bad, but you do get 30. But hopefully we'll put up some pallet racks maybe tomorrow. But yeah, hopefully we don't have to mess around with too many more pallet racks in here.
Nice find, a place to find something nice